guys, welcome back to Gearbest. Nowadays, we are just trying to have something like signature, that's your name, or some logos that you prefer, and you want to just make it on your notebook or something that you can carry around all the time. Instead of sending them to the stores, you definitely want to do it yourself, and you want to practice and enjoy the happiness out of that. So today, Alfawise have just released a new product called Alfawise C50, and this is a laser machine, and it's sitting right here. This just looks like fresh out of the box, and it's just this small. It's my palm, and it's like this small, and you can even put it in your purse if you're a girl, and if you're a boy, then you can put it in your backpack. So this is just the structure of that, and this is a stand which can be used for multiple ways. First, that it protects. Once you look at the color, you can see it protects your eyes. It's the same color like your goggle. And the assembling is really easy. They told me it could be assembled within 1 minute. Let's just see how it works. And make sure that the laser light doesn't go directly into your eyes. Okay, this side done, and this side. Almost there. Okay, we're almost there. I guess nobody is counting the time, but it should be done like this. Okay, this is steady and firm, and make sure that this metal bar, this is really important because we've already done a couple tests that is displaying right here, and you can see from here this is already damaged, and you don't want your desk or table to be looking like this. So make sure this is a plate definitely underneath your laser machine. Okay, after looking at this, it's already plugged in with the DC, but also this one supports you to power it up with your power bank. So you can just plug in from here and connect it over there, and you can just wherever you go, and even though you don't have the plug-in one with you, you can still engraving something you like. And looking at the size, you may ask me how big the stuff you can print, other than the things that are displaying right here in front of me. By looking at this board, so you can laser something, you can engrave or cut something that is 98 times 88 millimeters. And as for depth, and you can see from here, okay, let's see from the side, depth can go 1 millimeter to 2 millimeter depth. And as for the cardboard or wooden board, you probably need to do multiple times until it goes as deep as you want. Okay, other than that, so the package comes with everything from here to the left. And you can look at this cardboard and this fabric and leather piece and paperboard, and you can engrave or cut. And it also comes with all these bricks. I guess you can use those bricks to make your dies. And also, we found something very interesting to use. There is something like, say, half of the size like this, and you couldn't just put it underneath. You can just place the bricks over there and settle it down. See, and it's firm and steady like that it is. Okay, so done with all the talking over here, I'm going to show you guys how to use it. And first thing, make sure that it sits right here on the metal board. And make sure that you wear your goggles all the time. Don't ask me why. It's a protection to your eyes. And your eyes, other than just the beauty, it's one of the most important things for you to see the world. So let's put it on. And so this support for the Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, as well as for Android and Apple phone. And we've already downloaded one of the apps in your phone, and we're going to show you how it looks like. Okay, so this is a page of the app, but what it's called Blue Laser. And once you click in, and it just asks you to connect the engraving machine, and it's easy to read, right? So you just click on this. And now here it goes for scan, and you can see the Bluetooth just pop up, and it's very easy to recognize which one is the correct one. And you just click on this, it brings you right to the home page, and on the home page you can see all those things. And the first one say take a picture. It's easy to understand, right? You just click on this, take a picture, and let's say you click on the picture and you use a photo. and you're gonna see how it looks like, and you transmit it and correct the size of the printing area. Also, here is a setup section over here. If it comes with Chinese or English, but you are speaking some other languages, you can switch the language from here, or you can read the information from the engraving configuration, or you can also ask for help if there is something wrong after the usage or something, or you can just you can set up stuff over here and upgrade the app as well. That's one thing we really need to mention here. Once you purchase this, all the things that you have to do is upgrade your app, and they're gonna bring you all the additional features. And okay, let's get into this again, and if this doesn't pop up, you can click on the scan and it goes here. And other than taking a picture, it also supports the whiteboard, so you can type in all the information that you want, or from your album, or there is material library that you can choose from. So this is very easy to use, and once you choose this and you just click on the transmit and it goes. You may ask me, how long does it, what's the lifetime of this? So it runs up to 10,000 hours, and after 10,000 hours, we can't guarantee it's still running properly. However, just do your calculation, guys. 10,000 hours, that's a couple of years. It's about time that you are very familiar with this machine and upgrade it to a much professional one and much bigger one, so you can actually build something out of yourself. So, and we've also made some complicated ones, like a clock one over here, and the same clock one on the notebook, and also it's a poetry, I guess, or it's something like a piece of card, or you can just place your cup over there. And last but not least, this is a Gearbest guitar. I don't know who's going to play it, but we can save it until the annual party. And if you have anything unsolved, or you ask me for, oh, there's one thing really, people would ask about the metals, because we don't have the metal samples or the plastic samples listed in front of us. Because first, we can definitely print on the metals, but make sure those are coated ones, because uncoated ones with the reflection can just burn or hurt your eyes because it goes the other way. And also, we can engrave on the stainless steel, but make sure those are marked with the black marked pen. The same theory, because the reflection goes the wrong way. And if there is something wrong with the laser, can you disassemble it? Sure, you can definitely disassemble it, and with the trimmer or a screwdriver, but you have to make sure that you purchase the same size of the laser that you originally got. And you can get something printed like the pillar shape, but you have to also purchase those schoolers. So that's pretty much everything we are covering today. And a bonus today is that we are going to do one free giveaway for this deer sample in front of me. And the giveaway rules, do you guys still remember that? First, you have to subscribe Gearbest channel, and then you have to like this page, and also you have to share as many times as many channels as possible. And we are going to just randomly select one from all the lists that you want this one. So it's pretty much about alphing everything today, and if you have any questions, just leave a message. We'll have someone get back to you. And I wish you are enjoying your purchase with Gearbest. So take care and see you next time. Bye!